Hi! Today we are going to discuss the fifth and final part of our Web 3.0 series, Play to Earn Gaming, and wrap up our conversation on ways to make money in Web 3.0. Blockchain technology is transforming the gaming industry with a new model called Play to Earn. In these blockchain games, players can earn tokens by completing tasks or winning competitions. But these aren't just game points. These tokens have real-world value. You can exchange them for other cryptocurrencies or use them in the game to upgrade characters, buy items, or unlock new content. This new approach not only makes games more enjoyable, but also creates a new way for players to earn real money for their time and skills in the game. It blurs the line between playing for fun and working for money, potentially turning your favorite hobby into a way to make a living. This could change not just gaming, but also how we think about work and play in general. Web 3.0 is more than just new technology. It's a significant shift that creates new opportunities for all kinds of people to make money and take control of their digital lives. With decentralization, people are no longer just consumers in the digital economy. Instead, they can be active participants managing their own assets and earning rewards for contributing to various networks and platforms. This could completely change how we interact with technology, work, and create value. We're curious to hear from you. What part of Web 3.0 interests you the most? Are you excited about the idea of earning money by playing games? Or maybe you're more interested in the steady income potential of staking? Or perhaps you're most excited about having more control over your assets and data on decentralized platforms. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos, where we'll continue to explore the latest developments and opportunities in this new digital world. This was Eva, and I'll see you in the next video.